สวัสดีค่ะ Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a simple Thai dish, prawns in a red curry sauce, known as sushi gung. You can substitute the prawns with the fish prepared to your liking. The starting point is to make a red curry sauce using a red curry paste. For the best result, I recommend using my homemade red curry paste, which I show you how to make in a separate video on this same YouTube channel. Let's get started. To prepare your prawns, remove the excess moisture. To maintain the prawn shape during cooking, I use a bamboo skewer. Now, completely coat each of your prawns with starch. For the sauce ingredient, remove the skin of the finger root and then thinly slice. For garnishment, diagonally slice 1 red jalapeno chili pepper and, after removing the stem, thinly slice 1 kaffir lime leaf. The exceptional flavor of Thai cuisine relies heavily on the sauce. Therefore, you must take care in how you prepare the sauce. You will notice I combine ingredients slowly, constantly stirring, and add ingredients as I cook the sauce. Pour 1 cup of fresh coconut cream into a saucepan over medium-high heat, along with 100 ml of hot water. Boil the coconut cream until you see oil separation. This will take about 5 minutes. At this point, add 1 tablespoon of red curry paste. When the sauce is fully cooked, you will notice a strong aroma, which should be about the 5-minute mark. Now add additional seasoning: 3/4 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of coconut sugar, along with 15 grams of your sliced finger root. Set the sauce aside. As an optional ingredient, pour some coconut cream into a saucepan over medium heat, along with some starch. The ratio I'm using here is 100 ml of cream to 1/2 teaspoon of starch. Cook until foamy. Set the coconut cream aside. Fry your prawns in oil at 370 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, turning the prawns once during frying. Let the prawns cool a bit before removing the skewer. Pour 1/2 cup of red curry sauce into a shallow serving bowl. Now, add in the prawns, topping them with 5 tablespoons of red curry sauce. Garnish with coconut cream mixture, your sliced jalapeno chili pepper, and sliced kaffir lime leaf. Now enjoy your creation by serving with steamed jasmine rice. I hope you enjoy this meal as much as I do. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and ลาก่อนนะคะ